Yes, yesterday. It's Bonfire Night today. Well, it's not night, it's like 1 in the afternoon, right? Wait, let me see. No, it's actually 5 to 3 in the afternoon, but it's Bonfire Night today, but I had the bonfire yesterday. Basically, yeah, playing the clips. Yeah. Gonna get over it quick, I know that. Nice. Oh wait, is it? Is it nice?
Slow and steady.
Probably not the best place to go. Oh no, it stinks of fuels now. Go behind. Ooh. That grew quick. Why'd you start at the top?
Oh, it smells!
That's what I said.
Bring me up today, pal. Bit more at chimney breast. Skip up. Yeah.
Hi, Frankie.
Hi.
I didn't see you earlier.
Don't have space left in that kid.
Why's it going flat? Triangle on the wood. On the fire. I don't know what to do. Oh. I just go like, help! What are you looking at? What are you looking at, Annie? I've got my camera torch on now. That's bright, thank you. Oh man, no. Oh, remember.